Government already announced that G and NEET exam will start from 1st to 6th and 13th. But how they will give the examination, I do not know, because more than 25.50 lakh students are involved. Even more than 4,500 to the centers are already there. Rail is not working properly. Aviation also there are some problems. Transportation is also not effectively working because of this lockdown system and all this. Now under this lockdown protocol, when like COVID a pandemic is going on, then first in the month of April, UGC has sent a letter to the state government that they will defer this exam or they will take some other options. But again they sent another letter to change that decision, which will harm the students, especially the graduation, post-graduation. And now the G and the NEET, our students and youth, they are very much talented, they are really very brave, they are very bright, and I do not know how they will sit for exam. Yes, I appreciate that government can say that Supreme Court has given the verdict and that's why government is doing all these things. I have appealed Prime Minister, I have requested, I have sent so many letters, but I can show you that yes, I have sent this letter to Prime Minister because of this NEET, G and this exam, other exam, and I requested Prime Minister that if the government can review government can request the Supreme Court when students community are in a serious situation. Even some people are facing the depression also. It is a mental agony. Then Government of India can appeal Supreme Court, Honorable Court to review the appeal so that students community, they feel they are not been harassed or they are not been deprived or they are not going for the mental torture or depression, what is going on right now, whatever we are getting the information from the grassroots. And now that is the option is there. Even with the state government, especially Punjab, Maharashtra, this Jharkhand, Puducherry, then we have the Rajasthan, and also we have the other state government also. Whoever will support it depends on them. But whoever present is here today, we can also, if the law permits, we can discuss this matter with our senior advocates. There are so many important advocates they are always helping. It may be that Supreme Court may say that we have already given the direction. But sometimes we have seen there are some precedent also that if the state government is being bulldozed like anything. In every meeting, your chief ministers ask the other chief ministers. I raised my issue every time. Now, state where the money will be coming? Our tax we are giving to the central government. They are collecting from state government. Earlier, there is a planning commission. State should have meet with the planning commission and they should have decide their policy. Now, nobody is there. Now, nobody is talking even. GST, of course, from my government, I can tell you, 4,100 crores, I have to get it within month of May, June, but I have not yet received. So how do we run the government? COVID, the pandemic is going on. And now we are not getting one single paisa. From how we will go for expenditure. We have to give for safe house free of cost, treatment free of cost, medicine free of cost, ventilator free of cost, national oxygen free of cost, even their ambulance free of cost, everything we are giving free of cost. Even the migrant workers, they came, we gave their ticket, the expenditure. We are trying our best, madam, but the problem is that we are not getting anything.